Greatest treasure. Mother Earth provides us with everything we need: air, water, food, and shelter, and ultimately sustains our life.
Earth is not just a planet, it's our home. We have gathered today to celebrate Earth Day, a day dedicated to our planet. Let's remember that Earth Day isn't just a single day, but a call to action for a healthier, more sustainable future, starting with the choices we make every day.
A very heartfelt morning to everyone present here. I, Bhavi,
And as you know,
welcome you all to today's assembly presented by 5C.
let us begin the day by seeking blessings from our Almighty and Eternal God. I request you all to stand and join your hands to begin the day with the prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, precious reviving again. Over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing, come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
Enhances our knowledge and awareness about the world around us. I invite my friends Kashmi, Hardis and Sama to update us with the latest news.
Good morning. Today's news. Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla is set to travel to the International Space Station next month as a part of Axiom 4 mission. It is 4 decades after Rakesh Sharma's space flight in 1984. 24 students scored 100 percentile in JEE mains exam, with 7 of them from Rajasthan. Scant rain results in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab reservoir water levels less compared to last year.
Sports news. The youngest IPL player at the age of 14, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, begins with first ball 6. Last November, Rajasthan Royals billed rupees 1.1 crore for the 13-year-old Vaibhav at the IPL mega auction. PCB chairman announced that their women's team will not travel to India for ICC World Cup this year.
Weather report. On Sunday, the day remained with partly cloudy sky and possibility of rain at a few places. Maximum temperature remained 37 degrees and minimum temperature was 24.4 degrees Celsius.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We all know that the Earth is the only planet in a solar system that sustains life. So, it's necessary that we keep protecting our planet, Earth, so the coming generations would also learn the importance of our planet.
Earth Day, celebrated on April 22nd every year, is a global event focused on planet's well-being and promote public awareness about the issue. Let's know the origin of Earth Day celebration.
Gaylord Nelson first introduced the concept of Earth Day in the year 1970. The oil explosion in the US severely harmed the aquatic life. It was initially celebrated in the US, but it started being observed around the whole world later on.
More than 193 countries are now celebrating this day, and people get involved in environmental preservation activities on this day. Now, my friends are going to present a skit. Let's watch and learn. Thank you.
Time, a beautiful planet was created. People were living in harmony with nature. The air was clean, the rivers were pure, and the forests were full of life. But a huge change came around, comparing the earth of the 19th century and the earth of 20th century. I will not be able to explain it well by words. So let me introduce you to the earth of 90s and the earth of 20s.
Oh wow, what a beautiful day. I am feeling so happy. Who is this man coughing around here?
Oh, hello. I'm the Earth of 21st century, the smartest.
You call it smartness. You're covered with smoke, pollution, harmful gases. And look at me. I'm so green with pure and clean atmosphere. Happiness all around.
Oh, you don't believe me? Let me show you how developed, progressive and advanced I am.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. I hope the land is cleared in that forest area for the big contract that we will get. We are going to start a factory and earn a lot of profit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is all done. Oh, wow. The work has been way faster than my expectation. Come, let's go. I want to see how the work has been done. Sir, I have put a lot of hard work into this project and hope I will get my money that was promised.
The boss was really happy after visiting the site and land he got. He built a big factory there that was continuously producing smoke, but he was least aware or bothered about the consequences.
Can you see the progress in me? I'm so progressive.
Do you really think it is progressive? It's just destructive. You showed me the present. Now let me show you your future.
I'm not able to breathe it well. I'm feeling very suffocated. Please help me. It's a horrible pain.
Don't say that, my child. I feel so helpless. Everywhere the air is badly polluted. Where should I go? Someone, please help us.
Try not to be over smart, thinking of short-term gains only because it can result in a big problem if not planned or acts well.
I am so dumb, calling myself the smartest.
No, you're not dumb. The people who are doing this to you are foolish. They must think of the long-term consequences of their action.
We just now saw few of the problems. Let us get aware of the problem of the damages we are unconsciously causing to our Mother Earth, and we need to find the solutions. Let's take help from our friends for the same.
What are the ways to celebrate Earth Day in a meaningful way? Here are some ideas for us students to honor our planet through action on Earth Day. We can make a big difference by following small measures in our day-to-day life.